In this video I'm going to show you how to make a backup of your Minecraft Realm on the Nintendo Switch 2. First select play, then scroll to Realms, scroll down to settings, select the world you want to make a backup from, so I'm just going to select this one, my world, select edit world. Scroll here down to backups and here you see that Minecraft is automatically making a backup of your realm, and here you also see the time. So you have two options. If you click on it, what you can do is you can replace the realm with your backup, or what you could do is you can download the world as a copy, so I'm just gonna do that. World import started, world import finished successfully. So if we press now on let's go, and if we now go back to worlds, you will see here the copy of the world that we just downloaded, and then you can do everything with it. So you can load it up and yeah, play it.